You've been making that dua for weeks, months, maybe even years. You cry in sujood, raise your hands after every prayer, and still silence. Nothing changes. And naturally, your heart starts asking, why is Allah not answering me? What have I done wrong? But here's what you need to know. Silence from Allah is not rejection. It's often redirection or preparation. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said something profound. The supplication of a servant will continue to be answered as long as he does not ask for something sinful or for breaking family ties, and as long as he is not hasty. Then he explained. He says, I have prayed and prayed, but I see that it is not being accepted. So he gives up hope and stops making dua. That's when it's truly lost, when you give up, not when Allah doesn't answer right away. Sometimes Allah delays the answer because you're not ready for what you're asking for. Imagine asking for success, but your heart is still fragile. Imagine asking for love, but you're not healed. Allah knows what you don't know. That's why He says in the Quran, it may be that you dislike a thing while it is good for you, and it may be that you love a thing while it is bad for you. Allah knows, and you do not know. Your dua is never lost. Prophet Muhammad told us, no Muslim makes dua unless he asks for something sinful or breaking family ties, but Allah gives him one of three things. Either He answers his dua, or He stores it for him in the hereafter, or He averts a calamity equal to it. So either way you win. Even the prophets had to wait. Prophet Ayub endured years of pain and sickness, yet never gave up asking, and Allah praised his patience. Prophet Zachariah made dua for a child in old age, and Allah finally responded when the time was right. The delay in your answer is not punishment, it's an opportunity. So don't say, Allah didn't answer me. Say, Allah heard me, and He's responding in the best way. Because He always does, either now, later, or with something even better. Keep asking, keep trusting. Your dua is with the one who never forgets, never misses, and never makes a mistake. If this message touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe. When you spread the words of Allah, even with a simple gesture, you may be the reason someone finds hope again. So be that reason. Let the blessing continue through you.